everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a review of my new vacuum. It's the Bissell AirRam cordless vacuum. And I just want to give a quick thanks to my son, Mark Anthony, for helping me with this unboxing and setting up. So I was in search of a new vacuum because my old corded vacuum had lost suction power. And I was in between the Dyson V7 or V8 or the Shark, Rocket, or Apex, and I came across this one. Everybody knows that Bissell's been around for years. It has a 22-volt lithium battery, and the battery time says it's around 40 minutes, which I'm going to test out. So Mark is just setting it up and he's putting in the handle. The handle is adjustable. It also has that middle part, which makes it easier to carry around, or like if you're carrying it up the stairs. What I like most about this vacuum is that it stands straight upright, which unlike the Dyson, you have to lean against something. So it makes storing it much easier. The good thing about the vacuum is its shape. So it has the motor and battery on the cleaner head, which makes it less weight on the handle. So it's a lot less tiring on your arm, especially if you have a big space to vacuum. And he's also going to show you how easy it is just to lift out the dirt compartment. And then with the touch of this lever right here, you will just move it back and forth and all the dirt will come right out. It also has this removable filter, which is also washable. All you need to do is run it under cool water and then let it dry. And then he's just going to pop it right back in, and it just goes right back into the base of the vacuum. It's really simple. All you need to do is slide the battery back in. You can charge it with the battery out or in, it doesn't matter. And then a touch on the left side with your foot lowers the handle, and the power button is also on the base of the unit as well. So here he is, he's just lifting it. It slides right up and out to make it more convenient. And then here's the brush roll head. It's removable and easy to take out when you need to clean it for hair and different debris on there. So it just pops right back in. So I'm going to start out here in my room because it is carpet, and then I will move on to the tile so you can see. What I really also like are these bright LED headlights that illuminate debris. And I didn't mention, but every purchase of Bissell's vacuums helps save pets because they have the Bissell Pet Foundation. So it's their mission to save homeless pets. So I know that my money is going to a good cause. I'm really also liking the swivel action on the handle, and it will make it much easier to navigate underneath the bed or even under the sofa. And as you can see, the suction power is pretty good. I am impressed. I also have the Roomba robot vacuum, which I usually run daily, but a little down further in the clip, I'm going to show you just how much this picked up from my room alone. The whole dirt canister was full, and I was literally amazed. So what I did here was I just crumbled up a cracker so that you could see how much it picked up in one swipe going forward. There was nothing left behind. I also like the transition from going from the carpet to the tile. It's very smooth and there's no buttons like in my old vacuum that you have to turn to change like the floor setting. So I really like that. That was a plus. So here's what I mentioned earlier about all the dirt that picked up just from my room alone and those crackers. So So I just put a piece of white paper down in the garbage so that you could see how much there was. And here are some pros and cons. So as you could see, the pros outweigh the cons. And just the con being that there's no attachments with this vacuum. So I'm just going to end off here in my son's room. Now this is the other room with carpet, and it was also vacuumed yesterday, so I'm curious to see how much this picks up. Overall, I really like this vacuum. I like the ease of it, how lightweight, and how it transitions from carpet to tile. I like how it stands upright, and I really like these LED lights, and look at this, how much it picked up in the kids' room. So overall, I would definitely recommend this. If you have this vacuum or are thinking of getting it, I really recommend it, and let me know your thoughts if you do have it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. I hope that it was informative. If you have not subscribed already, please do. And of course, give it a like, and I will see you guys again real soon in my next video. Bye!